Hello everyone, today I want to talk about how to use the Sonic Visualizer to correct the pitch track. Firstly, we open the Sonic Visualizer. Then we open an audio file. Then we want to see its spectrogram. Then we use the Add Melodic Range Spectrogram in this layer menu. So we can use the left and right arrow to score on the frequency axis, and up and down button to zoom in and zoom out. So if we see the spectrogram, it's not clearly to show the pitch track, so we need to change some parameters here. So firstly, I want to increase the contrast so that we can see more clearly the pitch. And then the windows is a little bit high for me, so I need to set it to 2048. And then the bins, the frequency, I want the linear instead of the log, because in the log frequency we can't correct the pitch track. Here we can see clearly the red line is the fundamental frequency. Then we do the pitch analysis by the Melodia. So there's some parameters to set up. Here I want the minimum frequency to be 100 and the maximum to be 1000. And we press OK. Then it starts to analyze. So now it's done. We can see this green line here are the pitch track. So we can listen the first part. If we zoom in, we can find here, basically here is not the pitch track of the same voice, so we need to delete that. To delete it, firstly we zoom in this area, then we use the pencil tool to draw at the button here. So don't worry if here some pitch are not perfect drawn. So in the post processing, we're gonna filter out the pitch below to 100 Hertz. So here we just need to keep the drawing are below 100 Hertz. Okay. So now we have done the deletion of this area. Don't use the select tools to delete the pitch tracks. One might think we can select this area and choose delete selected items, but if you do this, it will delete all the frames here. So in the output file, the exported the annotation layer, we're going to lost the frames here. So instead of use the selector tool to delete the frame, we use the pencil tool. So when scoring, we might find here the pitch track are not correctly extracted. Basically, this line should belongs to the instrumental, because if we see the harmonics, the second harmonics and the third harmonics, so we can decide the fundamental harmonics of the same voice should be this line. But as the amplitude is so weak, the plugin detected the instrumental fundamental frequency instead of the same voice. So we might firstly increase this contrast And then we zoom in to this area. Then we draw on this fundamental frequency to correct it. Okay, then we zoom out. After you done all these correction processes, you can export this pitch track to a text file. Okay, that's all of it. Thanks for watching.